In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the account name on your Mac. Click on the Apple icon at the top left corner, System Settings, About. You can see name is named as iOS Droids. Just tap on this and you can change it as per your liking. And after that, if you want to change the name of the user, just scroll down. Here you can find users and groups. You can add a new user, or you can just click on this icon of existing user and you can give it a name of your choice. Click OK. This will change the username on your Mac. So that's it about the video, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.